Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle in today's additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, November the 8th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars puzzle, 3 stars Sudoku. We have 3 puzzles left, the binary, the tectonic, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, this one you are interested. Why? Well, this one has 24 pointed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less pointed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. This one will be number 7413. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve this puzzle. 30 minutes or more to solve this puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2, 3 twos, 1, 2 threes, 4 fours, 5 fours. Well. 3 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 1 8, and 2 9. So the fours are in majority. Can I start with a 4? That's the question. 4 4. No. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in that column, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 is should be there. 4, 4, 4. Six missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4. Let me wait. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 4 in this column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 5 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in the middle column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So it'll come next. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Okay, and now. Let me see. How about these three missing numbers in this column? One of the missing number in this column is the number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this column. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, the 6, 3, and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 6. Should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6. 6. Alright, cannot continue. 3, 3, 3, 3. 6, 3, and a 9. Need a 9 here. Alright. We have here 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row. 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. I need a 9 here. And I need a 1, 8, and need a 3 here. Okay. How about the number? Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. Here can be 3. He should be the 3. Can it be 3? 3 should be one of these 3 boxes. Okay. Now I'm thinking 7. 7. 7. Here should be the 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 7. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 in the first column should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1. 2 is missing and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this big square. No 3 there. 3 should be and 2 goes there. 2, 2. I need a 7 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Look, we have 8 in this row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. And the 7 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. 7 and 9. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6, 6. Alright, I'm thinking 9, 9. Yeah. 9, 9. Okay, we have a 9 here. We have a 9 there. That means in the last column, the 9 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Okay. In the last column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In the last column, one of the missing numbers in the last column is the number 9. Here can it be 9 because we have 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here can it be 9 because we have 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. Here can it be a 9 because we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the last column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. So no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so in that row, the only two place level 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Then 1, 6, 8. 6, 6. 1, 6, 8. Okay. Need a 7 here. Okay. How about 8, 8. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in this column, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only two place level 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 and 8, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes in there. Then 8. Then 1 box left in this column. The 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 is missing here. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only two place level the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. The only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place level the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only place level the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 in the third row, for 1 in the second row, so the first row, only place level 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is, no, we have a 6 here. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Cannot believe this. Faster than the previous Sudoku. Well, this one has one hidden number. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.